In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix Bookings 2026 step by step for beginners. We'll start right inside your Wix editor. Look to the left sidebar and open the app market, the icon that looks like a small grid. In the search bar, type Wix Bookings and select Add to Site. Give it a moment to install. Wix will automatically create your booking pages, which is a big time saver and gives you a solid starting layout. Next, head over to your Wix dashboard and open Booking Services. Click Add a new service and choose the format that fits the way you work. Pick Appointment if you offer one-on-one meetings or consultations. Choose Class for repeating group sessions like yoga or workshops. Select Course. If you run a series of sessions, people attend over time. If none of those fit perfectly, choose Start from scratch to fully tailor the structure. Now customize your service details. Start with a clear name and a short descriptive summary so visitors know exactly what's included. Set the duration to match how long a session actually takes, and consider adding buffer time, such as 15 minutes, to prevent back-to-back bookings and to give yourself room to prepare or wrap up. For pricing, pick the option that suits your business model. Collect full payments online, accept deposits to secure a spot, or choose pay in person if you prefer to handle payment on site. Assign where and by whom the service is delivered. For location, you can set a physical business address, add a virtual meeting link using tools like Zoom or Google Meet, or mark it as at the client's home if you travel. If you work with a team, assign specific staff members to the service. Wix Bookings will align availability with each person's schedule so clients only see times that actually work. Before going live, configure your booking policies. In Settings, set clear cancellation and rescheduling rules to manage expectations. Define your lead time, such as requiring bookings at least 24 hours in advance, so you have time to prepare and avoid last-minute surprises. Upload professional images to visually represent your service on the booking page. This makes a strong first impression. Finally, review everything carefully. Double-check pricing, staff availability, and your contact information for accuracy. Click Save to add the service to your library. Make sure your Book Online page appears in your site menu so visitors can find it easily, then click Publish. Your site